First of all, I welcome all of you in the lesson number 3 for grade 3 mathematics. What we were studying 2D shapes. We're studying about the properties of 2D shapes, and we studied about the square. Just a quick revision about the 2D shapes. Square, it has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in a square, all sides are equal. Okay. And there are also 4 right angles. This is right angle, this is right angle, this is right angle, and this is right angle. Coming to the next, rectangle. It is also having 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it is also having 4 corners and vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is also having 4 right angles. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is the difference between a square and rectangle? That in a square, all sides are equal, but in rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. Then we studied about the triangle. Triangle is a 2D shape which has 3 sides and 3 corners. So look at this 1, 2, and 3 sides. So it has 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. 3 corners, 3 vertices. But if you see this triangle, so there is no right angle. So it has 0 right angles, right? Then coming to the next, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Triangle obviously means 3 corners and 3 sides. So look at the sides, 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 sides, and how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3. But what's the difference between right angle triangle and a normal triangle? That in right angle triangle, there is one right angle, which is that. These two are not right angle, but this is right angle. This is 90-degree angle. So this is right angle triangle. It has 3 sides, 3 corners, vertices, and it has one right angle. Then coming to the pentagon, regular pentagon. I tell you about the difference between regular and irregular. When you have all sides equal in length, you use regular. When you have all sides are not equal in length, then you use irregular. Look at this pentagon. It seems that all sides are equal in length in this. So this is the regular pentagon. And pentagon is a 2D shape which has 5 sides and 5 corners. So you can check the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides and 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. All sides are equal in length because it is regular and it has 0 right angles. So you can see there is no right angle. This is inclined towards right, bent towards right. This is bent towards left. And this is also not a straight line, vertically straight. And so there is no right angle. This is irregular pentagon. It has same properties than regular pentagon. We did not repeat it here. It is also having 5 sides, 5 corners, no right angle. The only difference between regular pentagon and irregular pentagon is in irregular pentagon, sides are not equal in length. This is shorter, this is longer, right? So when you have all sides are not equal in length, so you will say it irregular, whether it is a pentagon or it is a hexagon, octagon, no matter. Then regular hexagon. You know about the regular. What does that mean? That all sides should be equal. Hexagon is a 2D shape which has 6 sides and 6 corners. So you can see there are 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there are 6 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And all the sides are equal in length. That's why it is regular. And there is no right angle. This is, you can see, bent towards left. This is bent towards right. This is also in a slope form, not a straight. And only 2 horizontal lines are there. Not a, it's 2 horizontal lines are not meeting with any of the vertical line, straight vertical line. So this was regular hexagon. Do you have any problem up to here, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
You understand all these 2D shapes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But I'm irregular.
Sir, my name is. I do not understand anything. Just come in the period, please.
I have a question.
Sir,
Yes.
can you go down irregular
I will do it.
irregular hexagon?
I will do it
I want to
irregular
write irregular
hexagon.
hexagon.
And those listen, Abdul Rahim, you were asking, you did not understand. I just revised what we have studied in the last 2 days. Okay, I did not teach anything today.
Sir, can you go down? I want to write irregular hexagon.
Okay, I am going down. I am going down.
Can you go
I'm
down?
going down. Guys, I am going to open my chat. If anyone want to ask some questions, so they can send me message. My chat is open. You can send messages. Okay. Irregular. Yes.
Sir, I didn't understand question number 1.
Which question? There is no question.
No, in 2D shapes in page 25, there's question 1. I didn't understand it.
Listen, did we move to the book? No, we did not. Okay. After this, we will move to the book. Okay. Up to here, if you did not understand anything, tell me.
Okay.
Now, guys, right? Yes.
I didn't understand what is the meaning of irregular shape and regular shape.
Regular means when you have all sides in equal length. Like in a square, you see, in a square, all sides are equal, but in rectangle, all sides are not equal. Opposite sides are equal. But you will use regular or irregular for the shapes which are having 5 sides or more than 5 sides. Like pentagon, hexagon, octagon. You will use regular, irregular for the sides which have 5 sides or more than 5 sides. You will use regular or irregular, right? So in pentagon, if all the sides are equal in length, you will say regular pentagon. But in pentagon, all sides are not equal in length, you will say it's irregular. Okay.
Okay, sir. Type 1. What is the meaning of right corner?
Corners means the point where one line meet another point, another line. This is the corner. This line is joining this line at this point. So this is the corner. Okay. I can show you here with the help of line. Look, this is the line. Okay. If I joined one more line from here, look, so this is the point where I am joining this one line to another line. So this is the corner. Clear?
Clear.
Good. All right, guys. Irregular hexagon. In irregular hexagon, all sides are not equal in length.
What is the meaning of right angles?
Right angle when you have one angle of 90 degree. Is this your first class?
Yes.
Oh, so watch the lecture, watch the previous lectures, that will help you.
Okay.
I have explained in detail. Okay. Oh, I need to draw it here. Irregular hexagon. I'm going to draw it. This is irregular hexagon. You can see there all sides are not equal. This is longer and these are shorter. Okay, Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah.
Yes, sir. When the irregular hexagon, do I need to use a scale?
Yes, use a scale. For diagrams,
But if I don't, but if I don't have one, am I able to write it?
What you don't have? A scale? You should have.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
no,
I have, but I can I write it without?
no, for drawing the shape, you should use ruler. Otherwise, you will not be able to draw perfectly. how you will draw, how you will make difference between irregular hexagon and regular hexagon. For that you should use a scale. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to make regular hexagon perfectly.
Okay.
Thank you. All right guys, I hope you understand. Is there any problem in these shapes? Should we move to the book now?
Yeah.
No, sir. No problem, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So should we move to the book now?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, very good. Now I'm going to share new screen. Open your books guys, please, page number 24. Wait for a while please. Open your books, page number 24. Page number 24. And please let me know whether you can see the screen or not. Open your book, page number 24. Can you see the screen guys?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now guys, you are going to answer it. I'm not going to help you because you know about the shapes, you know about the name of the shape, you know about the sides of the shape, how many sides, how many corners, how many vertices are there. So copy and complete this table. This is incomplete table. You have to recognize this shape. You have to write the name of this shape. You have to tell how many sides does this shape have and how many corner does this shape have. So which shape is that? I'm going to open your mics and you have to tell me the answer. First one, which shape is that?
First one.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
It's four sides and four vertices.
Send your answers in the chat box. I want to see how many of you are spelling it correctly. Yes. Answer me in the chat box the name of this shape. Very good,
Excuse
Amro.
me.
Yes.
Excuse
Ammar
me,
Khalid,
sir.
very good. Yes.
Sir,
Very
I
good.
didn't. Sir, I didn't get the books yet.
Okay. Why? Very good. Very good.
Cause I'm so busy to get them, and tomorrow or today
Okay.
I'm gonna get them.
Okay. You should get it as soon as possible, right?
Okay.
Okay. Very good. All right, guys. Very good answers from all of you. Aham, Kareem, Marwan, Ahmad Usama, Aman, Ahmad Jibrail, Jihad Al Sayyed, Ammar Khalid, Amro, Al Humam. Very good. Now you have to tell me how many sides are there in rectangle. How many sides are there in rectangle? I have opened your mic. Very good. There are 4 sides in rectangle. And how many corners are there?
Four corners. Four corners are vertices.
Very good. Very good. So guys, complete it now in your book. You have to complete it in your book. Write its name. It is rectangle. It is rectangle. It is rectangle. How many sides does it have? It has 4 sides. Someone messaging me. Okay, Ammar, very good. If you finish, let other students finish, please. 4 sides and 4 corners. Those who finish, complete the next figure, please. Complete the next figure and tell me the answer. 4 corners, 4 vertices. Which shape is that? The second one. Yes, guys, which shape is that? Tell me.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Very good, very good. Very good. It is triangle. Good. And now,
It is triangle.
very good.
It has 3 sides and 3 corners.
Very good. Guys, what you have to do now? You have to send
Triangle, one name, 3 sides and 3
3
corners.
corners. Okay, very good. Guys, what you have to do? You have to write like this. I am sending you one message. The shape name is this, and it has how many sides and how many corners. In that way, you have to write as I am sending you. Okay, tell me your answers, please. Which shape is that? How many sides are there and how many corners are there? Amar Khalid, very good. Very good. Anas Al Sayyed, very good. Ahmad Muhammad, Marwan Muhammad, very good. But spelling mistake. Triangle spelling is not that. Hamza Walid, triangle spelling is wrong. Amro, very good. Eham, very good. But you did not tell me how many sides and how many corners are there. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Ahmad Usama, very good. Ayman, very good. Al Humam, spelling mistake. Okay, Aham. Abdullah and Hamza, very good. But Eham, you should try to use your all details in one message because there are too many messages I'm receiving, so that will go up. Abdul Hamid, very good. Jihad Muhammad, very good. All right, guys. So you all are writing very good, and I'm going to write the answer here. Triangle. This is the spelling of triangle. And it has 3 sides. And it has 3 corners. Coming to the next shape, guys. Identify the shape. Which is the next shape? I have received, I have started receiving the answers from Ammar Khalid. Very good. Ayman, very good. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Amro, very good. Kareem Muhammad, your answer is right, but spelling mistake. Ahmad Shihab, very good. Eham, very good. Eham, very good. Let me ask to all of you, can you identify this shape, guys? Which shape is that? This purple one.
Pentagon.
Hexagon.
Pentagon, sir.
This one.
Triangle.
I tell you what shape I am asking. I'm asking for the third shape. This one. Okay. Tell me about this shape. Which shape is that?
It name irregular.
Pentagon. Pentagon.
Hexagon.
Pentagon.
Hexagon.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Very good. So it is Pentagon. And very good from Jihad also. Jihad Al Sayyed. Send me your answers, guys. Ahmad Awal, you are writing about triangle now. We are on pentagon. Yes, Ahmad Muhammad, it's a pentagon, but you did not tell me how many sides and how many corners are there in pentagon. Pentagon, very good. All right, guys. So I have received answers from all of you. Now I'm going to write it. This is pentagon. So spelling is pentagon. How many sides? 5. And how many corners? Also 5. Yes. This is circle. Oh, we missed it. We missed the circle in the 2D shapes. This is the circle, guys. And this shape is known as circle. We missed it in the notebook. This shape is known as circle. And it has one side which is curved. Okay. And it doesn't have any corner. As you can see, this is a circle. There is no corner. And there is only one side. I told you when one side, one edge meet another edge, that point known as corner. So there is no corner. So this is circle. It has only one side and it has 0 corner. Okay. So circle, write about the circle. It has one side. This is circle. How many sides does it have? Only one. And that side is curved, this whole side. This is the only side circle has. And how many corners does it have? It doesn't have any corner. So that will be 0. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Circle is also a 2D shape and it is having one side and 0 corners.
Sir, above the circle, it is a regular pentagon or only a pentagon?
Yeah, it is irregular. Just write pentagon, no matter. In the question number 2, you will have to identify between regular and irregular pentagon. Very good, Ahmad Awal. Yes, guys, can you identify this shape, the last one? This shape, I'm asking. Can you identify this shape?
Yes, sir. Regular hexagon.
Very good.
Regular hexagon. 0 by 0.
Very good. And I'm receiving answers from many of the students, Ammar, Jihad, and Ayman, Ahmad Jibrail, Ammar Khalid, Iham, Kareem Muhammad. Very good. Jihad Al Sayyed, Amro, Ahmad Muhammad. Yes, so they have sent me the answer of this whole. What is the name of this side? How many corners does it have? And how many vertices does it have? So you all need to answer me how many sides and how many corners and what is its name. Send your message in the chat box. Yes, Kareem Nasir, I received your answers. So this shape is hexagon. So I'm going to write its name. This is hexagon. How many sides does it have? Kareem Nasir, I did not say your name. I asked for Kareem. I say Kareem. Okay, now I'm asking. Kareem Nasir has also have done it. Abdul Ghaffar, Hamza Walid. Okay. Iyad Khalid. Yes, Jihad, I know you have done it. All right. So this is hexagon. How many sides does it have? It has 6 sides. And how many corners does it have? It has also 6 corners. Hmm. That's finished. Very good. Check your answers, guys. Rectangle, 4 sides, 4 corners. Triangle, 3 sides, 3 corners. Pentagon, 5 sides, 5 corners. Circle, 1 side, 0 corner. And hexagon, 6 sides and 0 corners. Coming to the question number 2. Draw and name these shapes. You will not draw it because you have already drawn it in a notebook. So I'm going to cancel it. Just name these shapes. Okay, you are going to name these shapes. I have 4 sides. Guys, they're giving the clues. I have 4 sides, 4 right angles. So you should know which shape has 4 sides and 4 right angles. Both pairs of opposite sides are equal in length. Look, guys, in 2D shapes, first you have to identify which shape has 4 sides and corners. Tell me, guys, which 2 shape has 4 sides and 4 corners?
Rectangle.
No, 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 no. Listen my question carefully. I am asking about, tell me the name of the 2 shapes, 2 2D shapes which have 4 sides and 4 corners. There are 2 2D shapes which have 4 sides and 4 corners. I want to know the name of these 2 2D shapes. Yes.
Rectangle and square.
You're right. One is the circle. Zero is the circle.
Very good. There are 2 2D shapes which have 4 sides and 4 corners. These are a square and rectangle. But when we get the hint that opposite sides are equal, so we know this is not a square, but because in a square all sides are equal in length. Here opposite sides are equal in length. One pair of side is longer than other. So in a square all sides are equal. So which shape is that?
Rectangle and square.
I'm going to check to have your answers from in mic. Yes, which shape is that?
Rectangle and square. Rectangle and square.
Those who are saying rectangle and square, they are wrong because this is not square. When I read it up to here, up to this 4 right angles and 4 sides, so I had 2 figures in my mind. Either it will be square or it will be a rectangle. But once I read it that opposite sides are equal in length, so I have got the idea that this is not square because in square all sides are equal. Here opposite sides are equal in length and one side is longer than other. So it is not square. It is only rectangle. Those who are saying square and rectangle, they are wrong. It is only rectangle. Which shape is that?
Rectangle.
Very good. So write rectangle here. Rectangle. This is the answer. Rectangle. Coming to the next, guys. I have 6 sides. Which 2D shape has 6 sides? Tell me which 2D shape have 6 sides?
Hexagon.
Which 2D shape has 6 sides? You said it is hexagon. I will read it further. Not all of equal length. Not all of equal length. Tell me what should be the answer. Tell me in the chat.
Regular hexagon.
Very good, Ahmad Jibrail, Jihad, very good. Send your answer in the chat box. Ahmad Muhammad, this is not full answer. I know it is hexagon. But in this hexagon, all sides are not equal. So what you will say? Yes, guys, send me the answers. I'm waiting for your answers. Ammar Khalid, very good. Ayman, very good. Ahmad Usama, first thing, spelling mistake. Second thing, incomplete answer. Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Usama, spelling right, but this is incomplete answer. This is hexagon, but their length is not equal. Their sides length are not equal. Eham, very good. Eham, no, it's not a pentagon, Eham. Abdul Hamid, no, Abdul Hamid, not equal. It is not equal. Abdul Hamid, not equal. Hamza Salim, very good. All right, guys. So this is actually irregular hexagon. This is irregular hexagon. I told you when you have all sides equal, you will say regular, and when all sides are not equal, you will say irregular. So here it has 6 sides, but it is not equal in length. So you will say it is irregular hexagon. It is irregular hexagon. Okay, guys, with this, our class time is finished. Inshallah, we'll continue from here tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
I say